Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2020 NV Cargo. The Nissan NV Cargo is a mixture of functionality, efficiency, and performance. A wide variety of styles allows you to pick the perfect match for your needs. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.